Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No house, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. These will be essential for accessing the internal components of your Dyson SV12. First, unplug your vacuum and place it on a clean, flat surface. Start by removing the dust canister. Press the release button and pull it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the screws. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws carefully. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover off. If you encounter resistance, double check for any missed screws. Now, you should see the battery compartment. Disconnect the battery by pulling the connector away from the motor. If the battery is stuck, you can use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the battery is removed, it's time to replace it with a new one. Align the new battery with the connector and push it in until it clicks into place. Make sure it's secure before proceeding. Next, we'll move on to the motor. Locate the screws holding the motor in place. Using your Torx screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its compartment. Be cautious of any wires connected to it. If you need assistance, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. With the motor removed, take a moment to clean the internal area. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the efficiency of your vacuum. Now, take your new motor and align it in the compartment. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tight and in place. After replacing the motor, reattach the back cover of the vacuum. Align it properly and press it down until it clicks. Then, replace the screws to secure the cover. Finally, reattach the dust canister. Your Dyson SV12 should now be ready for use. If you encounter any issues or need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help with no calls, no travel required. In summary, replacing the battery and motor in your Dyson SV12 is a straightforward process if you have the right tools and follow these steps carefully. Regular maintenance will ensure your vacuum continues to perform at its best. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.